Hello everyone, today we'll be going over the creation and uses of branches in GitHub repositories. If you missed part 1, we go over the creation of repositories there. I'll put a link in the description. To start with, let's head over to github.com where we'll be doing most of our work today. And then we'll sign in to our repository. So now that we're here, let's start with the creation of branches. You'll notice over here in the toward the top left corner there is a drop-down menu that says Master. This is the current branch that I am in my repository. The master branch is the main branch of the repository, which is also the default. If you click on this drop-down, it says Switch Branches or Tags. And now in this window, I can type in to either search or create a branch. Since this branch called test does not exist, it will then give me the option to create the branch. So if I click this, it is said branch created. So now I am in the test branch. We'll go over what that means in a second. But now that I've created this branch, if you hop on over to the GitHub desktop app, and if I refresh real quick, I can now see that if I click over here, I am now creating changes inside the test branch. If you want to manage your branches, right here, back inside the github.com, you can come over here and it'll show you an overview of all the branches that are in your repository. You can rename the branch, you can create a pull request for the branch, or you can delete the branch. Okay, now that we've gone over how to create branches, let's go over what they're used for. Branches are mainly used to create a controlled environment for testing code that's isolated from the master branch. All of these changes can be reviewed then when the code is synced back to the master. GitHub also does a check for any major conflicts with the master branch and will flag it when it finds it in a pull request. Branches can be especially useful as well when you're working in large groups, since it allows each person to have free reign over their own branch and then allows for review when you're putting it back together. Thank you all very much for watching this brief overview of branches in GitHub. Have a great day.